fogginess calls to mind the million bubbles of thought, popping left, right, all around. The cultural climate, diversely unbound. A collective consciousness floating in historic memory loss of surround sounds. Gas bubbles of stubborn I and me, void of time-tested wisdom past, in all the fruit from the knowledge tree. So too this fogginess reminds me well of love. Her bubble burst at love's sweet nurturing call. A rendition, I suppose, like that apple she gave him once before. We all know how that ended so, wildly eaten to its evil core. Foggy, like the war veteran, brainwashed head, lost in the fog of hopeless glory dead. Oh, this foggy below zero chills and slows man's offense, like a Civil War bluff of last defense. Rifle against rifle, man against man, soul against soul, dividing and mutating, diversity of sick strains released, killing each other, beast against beast, even the fruit of the womb, a demon feast. Oh, but those foggy bubbles, surfacing like those of a drowning man in a dying sea, these are not champagne bubbles of New Year's night, but more like the confusion of earthly delight. Evil bubbles of hypoxia, filled with carbon monoxide, extermination by oxygen starvation, missing earth, greenery, its blue skies, and ocean-tide pools of vibrant colored light, and insects too. Desert beach remains of Fukushima radioactive fallout, emptiness, and plastic gumdrops dew. The man ties his tie in the mare choked, like a babe squirming at the cold hand of deliverance into death, not life, by a necktie too tight, straight-jacketed in devil's delight, with on-demand 24-hour profligate convenience, pushing God's law to the side, refusing obedience.